We are going to bake a delicious treat. Add the ingredients: sugar, milk, flour, egg, butter. Mix all the ingredients with the spoon. Choose a baking pan. Put in the cake batter. Now it's time to bake. Now you can decorate your cake. Chocolate icing. Add your favorite toppings: chocolate cookies, sparklers, vanilla cookies, umbrella, Billy, Bobby, Cowie, Elliot, Lisa, Ricky, Lisa. Chocolate cookie, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate, white chocolate, candies, banana.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel now so that you don't miss a beat. And for more play learning fun, head over to the Lingokids app.